So I've got here the QNAP Rail B-02 kit, which is compatible with a number of QNAP NASs, including the TS1886XU. And basically what this does is it adds a combination of rails to your NAS and to your rack, so that you can basically mount the NAS and pull it in and out of the cabinet a lot easier. So we'll open this up and have a look at what it actually comes with in the box. So this is it. That's pretty much the whole thing in the frame there. So we've got two sets of rails here. We also have some screws. There's a couple of different sizes, two big ones, two little ones, and a installation guide. So, it looks fairly straightforward. We'll basically be using the two small screws essentially just to lock it in on each side of the NAS. This doesn't actually tell us what those bigger screws are for, but I guess we'll find out when we do an installation of it. So I'll whip these out to have a look at. Plenty of padding in there for this sort of thing. So that's the unit, that's the insides. This will go up against the NAS here, and it'll basically just be sliding out that way. So this actually has multiple slide points. So fully extended, this is actually quite lengthy. Don't know if we can even get this whole thing showing up. This piece here is going to be right at the back of your cabinet, and that should be locked into the rack mounting points. And as we slide on forwards, this bit here will be at the front of the rack. So this is actually adjustable, this section, to fit different rack sizes, so that'll basically latch in, but that should fit most standard racks quite easily. And then coming forward here, this is the section that actually is going to extend out for the NAS unit. So that's this stretch here, and then we also have this bit right up the top that's actually on the NAS itself. So that bit does come out on its own, so that's fully separated there, and that bit is what's actually going to slot onto our NAS as per these instructions. So we've got a bunch of mounting holes here, and this top one has a little locking piece on it, and then we're going to put the screw piece, and then we're also going to screw through the middle of it just to make sure it's definitely locked into the NAS. If you have a close look on these rails, it will tell you, there's a very small number there which I'll zoom in on. Here we've got an R, and on the other side we've got an L, so right or left. So depending on which way you actually attach these on your NAS, it'll tell you which side of the NAS you're attaching it to. Okay. You also have, if we come down just a little bit, I'm sure you can see there, rear, telling you this is going to the rear of the NAS. Then at this end we've got the text saying front, and this is going at the front of the NAS unit. So that's it, that's our unboxing, everything that comes with the Rail B-02 kit. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me.